check out what this Kansept EDC tool is all about. We're looking at the carabiner, right? So again, Kansept EDC is going to be everything that is not knife related. So the carabiner, it is a Justin Kutch design, bead blasted titanium finish on it. Oh man, this is oh, this is hardcore, ladies and gentlemen. Holy smokes, this might be replacing my current carabiner, and I'll show you what I'm currently using here in a second. Oh, but yeah, this is this is definitely hardcore. It's got some things going on. Obviously, you got a little bit of like intentional jimping here as part of the design. It looks like it's going to double down as a bottle opener as well. So love to see it. We got some additional holes here, so you could put different rings on different places if you want to go full-on janitor style with your keys. Try to keep my keys as minimalistic as possible with all the ringing and all that left and right. But yeah, this one's pretty hardcore here. So it looks like obviously the whole thing is going to be bead blasted titanium, like we said. Even the little bar right here is going to be titanium also. And then as far as the tension goes, how that works, like that's pretty good. The way they pull this off, obviously, is the little unevenness of it. Right, this little leg is going to be a little bit shorter than the opposite leg, and actually lines up pretty good. Very easy to operate here, as you would expect, and it has a little bit of a latching position. Right, that gives you peace of mind. It's not just going to open randomly, or at least keep it in place, even if there was some movement going on. I want to give you guys an idea. These are two of the carabiners I've been using for the last, I don't know, 2 to 3 years, if not longer. In one key set from my Honda here, I have a titanium carabiner from KeyUnity. This one here specifically actually has the model number. I have these linked down below. It is a KM04M. And I mean, this one's been working pretty good. It's actually been wearing out, or, you know, kind of all the scratches and things like that, been wearing in pretty nicely. Even in the titanium, right, you got some nice little spring tension there like that. And this one, obviously, with, you know, I took off the house keys and things like that for obvious reasons, but you get the idea. This one has been a go-to, has been working out pretty good for me, especially when I have to strap it on my jeans or what have you, right? Just very good. And it's got this narrow passage right here, so you have to, you know, specifically fit things in a specific way, but if they're moving around, right, they're not going to automatically come up on their own, so they stay down in that portion or that section there. This one other option I've been using a lot is the slide lock number 3 from Nite IZE. It's part of their G-Series because it kind of looks like a G, right? So I do like that. So you have the ability to use this little rubber piece to actually lock the actual gate so it doesn't open on you. So you have to actually move that out of the way in order to be able to open up the gate here. Then you have a second gate, which is also nice. Again, all these work with the uneven legs. One leg is longer than the other. You got this other section back here. It's a little bit smaller one, and a gate keeps everything so it stays in there. So nothing comes up here to this section unless you open that door and you basically let stuff through like that. So I like that. Right, this has been working out for me. You know, these two, I got these on the one car keys. I got this one on the other set of car keys. Both of them are highly recommendable, and I've been using them a ton. But this one here, again, it's the new kind of sauce from Kansept knives. It's a little bit bigger, right? So we'll put them side by side here. They are, I mean, this is absolutely a much heavier duty, thicker, right? And also pretty lightweight at the same time. So I do like that a lot. And so it's going to be a little bit bigger there. And again, this portion here is just for strapping your keys onto something. I mean, it could be something different. It doesn't have to be your keys. It could be, I don't know, a bottle, a backpack, whatever it is. And then obviously all these different hole sizes, or, you know, circles here are going to be what you strap the different items to. So very interesting here from Kansept EDC. I think that has a name on here too. It might also go by the clasp, but a Kutch Tools design nonetheless. Same guy who designed the Corvette V we looked at a second ago. So same designer, Kutch Tools, aka Justin Kutch. Very interesting, pretty lightweight, very hardcore. Absolutely digging it.